Why does the light come on?
Just enough ass to not enough work.
What are you doing, Carrie?
Headbang.
We'll keep
Are
going.
you just recording now?
Yeah, I am. He's gonna suck it through your eyeball. Ah!
I keep looking at the screen, and every time it comes over to you, you give this look. Bitch, don't film me!
One day when I have enough money around, I'll buy you that money. Yes, I want to see that.
Oh.
You won. God, oh my God, you literally just went to the beat of the drums with your head. That was awesome. Wait till you watch that again.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this is gonna be a good video. My skeleton sister.
Wait a minute, where did
Hey, what's your name, man?
This is
Brad. Nice to meet you.
Bracken. This is Todd.
It's probably gonna be Brad. Brad. Or bro. Or dude. Or El Duderino. Or the Dudester if you're not into the whole brevity thing.
Hey.
God, that's fucking bright.
I need to turn it off. Don't cuss at me. I do not agree.
Fuck.
You will.
You don't agree.